Hey gang, this is Randy with Randog 1951. Been away for a while, so I'm back. I have something to talk about. Let's see. I've picked up the guitar. So I've had one since I was a kid. Learned the cowboy chords, and that was about it. With being retired and YouTube, the world has really opened up. So I ordered another guitar. Well, this is the second guitar that I ordered over the internet. The first one was a nice little 3/4 acoustic electric dreadnought, and it's terrible. It's just terrible. But I can practice on it. So I just ordered this one. I believe it's from China. I had another one. It was a Les Paul in mind, a knockoff, and the guy had it up for sale, or the person, for $146 plus $80 shipping, and it would take up to 2 to 3 months to get, because they were on their Chinese vacation. Well, long story short, I came back from vacation, and the price of it went from $146 plus $80 shipping to one company wants $188 and the other one wants $198 plus $80 shipping. So I put it on the back burner, and then I started looking again, and I found this. So let's check it out. How much did it cost me? All in, tax, license, free shipping, I think it came to $169, figure $170. So here's the reveal. And I bought a Strat knockoff last summer. I was looking on Craigslist, and the guy had some pretty insane prices going on. So I drove from where I live, near Kellogg, Idaho. It's where Silver Mountain Ski Resort is. About 80 miles, headed north to Sandpoint, Idaho, and the guy said he didn't have any. And so, in the days when I was in sales, in retail, I learned that they called that sort of tactic as a bait and switch. I was somewhat ticked off, but I saw one hanging on his wall for $169, and I picked it up. I played it a little bit after playing around with much more expensive guitars, and I ended up with let's see, hang on, show you, with this. It's a J Turson. And I did some research, and they use electronics that are also used in high-end, very expensive guitars. And I love it. It's just great. I picked up this. It's a FD01 Yamaha. When I decided I was gonna try to learn again after my Pan acoustic headstock broke off, and I picked this one up, $80 at a yard sale. That guy would not come down at all. I mean, but a good value. It's enjoyable. I never realized how short my fingers were until I started trying to play bar chords. And anyway, with the internet, YouTube, it's fantastic. FYI, for those that also have short fingers, there's an Englishman out there, probably my age. He talks about long hair, pointy shoes, growing up in England. And anyway, he's been very helpful. Morrison, name's Morrison. I don't think he's any relation to Jim. But Morrison, and he's a kid. He seems like a nice little guy. And watching his videos helped me. Well, let's see what we got here. The factory's Grote, G-R-O-T-E, Grote. There's not a blemish on this thing. Holy smokes. The tuning machines are enclosed. Well, I have some setting up to do. I just wanted to show you. Yeah, $169. It only took, what was it? Less than 2 weeks. As a matter of fact, it was due March 2nd, and it's no, let's see, it's February. Yeah, it's February. It was due March 2nd, and it's February 27th. So it came on time. I was a little worried because there was a footprint on the box. I'm glad it didn't have to go too far because the packaging, well, it worked out. It just worked out. They could do better on the packaging. And I know a Japanese artist, this Tomo Fujito Tomo something. He has a channel, and he also has a Patreon called Guitar Wisdom. And he went over, he asked the sender to, he bought a used Strat 12 string from Fender, and he asked them to make sure that they shipped it and packaged it with great care. And it took him, I think, half hour to, well, not that long, maybe 20 minutes just to take it out. But check this out. It's a beaut. You know, and if they're more than likely the bottom of the line pickups, but I'm just playing in my house. The dog doesn't mind, and if they don't work out, I'll remove the pickups that are in it and buy some new, say, humbuckers or whatever someone might recommend. This is beautiful. Holy smokes, I am so pleased. Yeah, well, she looks good. I don't want it to be a wall hanger, so I'm going to go ahead and fire her up. So, until next time, thanks for checking in. Yeah, that's it. Might have a couple of ski videos coming up here soon. Take care. Peace.